not in the home position, we move it up. Okay. After that we have a recorder. It is in left home position. So when starting a press print or any print, you need to keep recorder at the left home position. Okay.
ट्रक जैसा ही होगा राइट
अगर आप चेकलिस्ट फॉलो करेंगे कोई भी एक स्टेप भी मिस नहीं हो. Okay, after that here you need to check the status for status of all units. Then we are getting range 32. Okay, after that you have to check for subsystem. So we are running with the dual filtration system. So single filter is diesel. If you are using single filter, dual filter will happen. Okay. So after that, PC flooding here also you can see. So in high flooding, so here you can see HP. We are having two types of inert gas. One is HP, high flow, and another one is low flow, LP. Okay, if HP is on, LP will be off. If LP is on, HP will be off. Okay, and one more thing, depressurizer. We are using this button to remove the pressure after completion of the print. But when we are starting the print, we need to build pressure inside the chamber. So we are not going to use this button. So it is open. Okay, after that, one more thing we need to check limit switch. So if now recruiter is in left home position, but there is some error in that position. So what we need to do? Again, we need to level it once, so that it will become proper. Okay. We need to move the recorder to the left side again, so that we can. It is coming, so maybe error of that sensor maybe, but we can run. Okay.
सेंसर वो एरर क्या दिखा रहा है
Recorder left home पे नहीं है करके दिखा रहा है, but वो है.
हाँ
Okay, after that here you can see in other status scanner cooling fan and laser emission both looking off, because now laser is not turned. So when it turns on, then it will become grey. Okay. So we checked all status in general status. So next we need to clear the error. If any error is there, we need to clear it. Before clearing, we need to acknowledge it. We need to check on clear. At that time, it will be clear. Whatever error is there, it will be resolved. So now everything becomes okay. So next step we need to check, ensure oxygen percent is less than 0.2%. I said you 0.5, that is enough. Okay, we need to wait for 0.5%. But before starting the print, we need to ensure whether blower is or not, inside pressure is there or not. We need to check these things. So for that it will take some time, after around 15 minutes. So we will do that after 10 minutes. So initially here you can see it. हाँ
40 रुपये
वो क्या है, वो डिपेंड करता है. अगर आपका कैविटी बड़ा है तो आपको ज्यादा रखना पड़ेगा. बट अभी क्या है, इनिशियल लेयर में अभी आपको प्लेट दिख रहा है, तब तक ये प्लेट कवर नहीं होता प्रॉपर पाउडर से, तब तक आपको ज्यादा पाउडर अप्लाई करना है. उसके बाद आप उसको कम कर सकते, कंट्रोल कर सकते. ओके, सो नाउ वी नीड टू वेट अप टू 1-2%.
इनिशियली दे देना पर क्या
इनिशियली 100. उसके बाद आपको चेंज कर सकते हो बीच में, जब भी चाहिए आपको कंप्लीट कर. Okay. After that 28 step, observe the first end layer. To observe the first end layer, we need to turn on laser. We need to start the process. Okay. For that, it will take 15 minutes. But okay, if anyone wants to leave, you are free to go.
इतना रोकी है तो
But here
15 मिनट में.
हाँ. If it
भाई 2000 आप में 1000 आप
क्या प्रॉफिट में गई?
14 लोगों हैं.
So after that, we need to observe first end layer. If you want to change the powder dosage, movement of dispenser, we can change. If you want to change the speed of the blower, we can change. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow after printing. So now after printing, what we need to do? See that one. Yeah. कौन सा लेयर हो रहा है? थर्ड लेयर.
सर लेकिन ये एक से दोनों कर रहा है.
हाँ, उसमें चालू होता है बस.
साथ होता है बता तो कैसा रोटेट होता रहता है हजार घूमता ही रहता है पूरा सिस्टम में आराम से घूमता ही रहता है
तो 500 चालू हो everything we need to give not to the machine like we are preparing you for print. For that we have one more button called the job preparation. It is enabled then blue color lighting. Okay, if it is off, blue color light will be on. If it is on, then axis movement will be positive. Okay, so this is about all you need, all parts of the basic. One more thing is here for safety purpose we have machine level switches. If you want to cut off the power supply, we need to click on emergency. Whatever units connected with the machine, like the laser will be there, cylinder will be there, all units are connected with the machine. Machine is off, then that unit will be off. If unit is on, all units will be whatever unit linked with the machine.
तो वो क्या है इन्वर्टर है पीछे बैटरी वाला
Okay, after if you want to stop laser on it, then we have stop laser emergency stop. We can laser not on. Now it is off on it. So large on it. Okay, so now we about machine. Okay, so if you want to see electric connection, you can say. ये अच्छे आपको मशीन का है okay whole machine regarding safety regarding electricity regarding different type of supply everything will be controlled here so in this one major components will be working with DC only so AC to DC so that DC voltage difference everything will be controlled here so here whatever blocks you are seeing at gray color is highlighting phase. So whatever blue color thing you are seeing that is for neutral and what is yellow green things will be there. So here also you can see yellow green thing that is for earthing. Okay, so in door also you can see that we provided earthing for safety purpose. Okay, so everything will be controlled here. Time निकलो time. So after that, so from here it won't be visible. So here, axis will be controlled with the help of actuator. Okay, to control that actuator, we are using servo motors. Okay, for main three axes, for motor, for dispenser, and for Z axis. Both axes will be controlled by servo motor. Okay, so here you can see that this is a laser unit. From which laser beam will be generated. So here you can see that this one yellow. So this is optical fiber. From this point we are carrying the laser to that end. So it will be moving like a snake. So we need to make it lateral. So that we have three setup in scanner. Okay. So this is having maximum capacity of 500 watt. Okay, 500 watt laser will be there. And fiber laser of YB. You can say it YB. तो अभी क्या होगा कल सर आपसे पूछेंगे कौन सा टाइप का लेजर आप यूज कर रहे हो वाईबी मतलब नहीं 80 बीएम उसका कॉन्सेप्ट 80 बीएम फाइबर लेजर आप बोल सकते ओके मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी 500 वाट है प्लस ये वाला लेजर आपको जैसे पहले बोला था क्लास 1 क्लास 2 क्लास 3 क्लास 4 क्लास 4 वाला लेजर ओके सो कंटिन्यूअसली इट विल वर्क टू जनरेट अ लेजर so again if it gets overheated again it will drop its performance capacity so again to cool that here we are using water cooling system so cold water will be sent inside the laser whatever heat is there it will be absorbed by the water so that again it's sent inside the laser so same water will be circulating in the closed loop okay after that here we are using inert gas along with that we are using compressed air for cooling as well as for I told you that air cooling system as well as for locking of the door. Okay, it will be pneumatic lock. So to control that thing, we have one panel which is called as a pneumatic panel. So in this, we will control how much inert gas has to flow, at what region it has to go, and wherever it has to go. Providing everything will be done here. Here you can see that wherever you see yellow tube, it shows flow of inert gas. Wherever you see blue hose, it shows compressed air. Wherever you see black and white together, there it highlights water. Okay, for code. Okay, everything will be controlled here. Here you can see that black and white is there, yellow is there, blue is there. So all kind of control regarding fluid shall be done. Huh? Blue wala for compressive. Okay. Clear? जल्दी करना है. Okay. तो अगर आपके पास पेन ड्राइव है, within 10 सेकंड पेन ड्राइव पे ट्रांसफर होगा. यहाँ पे अकेला लो 5 to 10 सेकंड में यहाँ पे कॉपी होगी. 20 सेकंड का काम. मतलब लैच पे देर लगेगा. आपका इंटरनेट स्पीड अच्छा है, जल्दी हो गया. Okay, after that, here you can see it. So this is called as a laser hour meter. So this machine, so how much work is done, you can see here. Okay, 1556 hours already utilized this machine. Okay, in this 1500, 1200 was done by me. यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, तो उससे पे क्या है, लैपटॉप के थ्रू आपको एक्सेस लेना है और पावर का अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है सॉफ्टवेयर तो कनेक्ट कर नॉर्मल सॉफ्टवेयर है मेन पावर से सोर्स आ रहा है सेम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आपको. ओके, दैट इज अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन लेवल. सो नाउ विल कम टू डिजाइन. सो दिस कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोसेस चेंबर. ओके, नाउ एवरी इज विजिबल राइट. तो अभी क्या है, आपको मार्क्स दे देते हैं और बोला नहीं कर लेके आते. मार्क्स यू नीड टू कीप दैट विद यू. अगेन टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू सेम मार्क्स. ओके, सो टुमारो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू अगेन. You need to keep that mark. तो अगर देखना का मशीन है, something should be there. Which is first thing. That component will affect water component. First component
बताओ लोग.
Okay, then. So first step, so as I told you, we need to turn on power. Okay, so here we have one more option, control voltage. If you click on this one, so all units power supply will go down. So if power supply is going to all units, then green color light will go. Okay. So after that, so that is about communication panel. We will complete that. You can so if you want to take remote access of this machine, we can take. So after starting the print, so now you saw that right? We are having 14 hours print, but we are going to stay here only 3 hours more, max up to 7. Okay, after that, we need to have a look on printing. So if we have access, we can check the machine. Okay, I am having access, so I can connect to this machine 24/7 whenever I want to connect it. Okay, so for that we have learned. So to copying the file, so whatever file we prepared right now, so that can be copied here in the factory. In case of polymer printer, whatever printer file is there, that has to be copied to the SD card, so that SD card should be there. So we call SD card, SD card of control. So I will be in SD card. So here we can option when somewhere once you copy, then print. वो जमाना भी है सर एसडी कार्ड तो अक्सर वो ऐसे ही है. हाँ, यहाँ से लगाएंगे इसलिए ट्रांसफर नहीं हो ढंग से कर सकते हैं, बट टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन इंटरनेट स्पीड.